Now the weather is getting good again. Let's fly. Now I'm gonna do a flight plan. If these let me. Please let me. Okay, it's already, everything is fine. Oh, green, everything is green. Oh, let's load the flight plan. This one, of course, but open. Let's do this. Off battery. Let's take the risk again with off the charge on the battery. I think I got to abort or something. The battery is not enough. 37% battery. Oh. Flyways. There's an alarm here. I'm gonna abort. I'm gonna abort this. I don't know what the hell is it. I don't know. I'm gonna abort. Something is not okay. I see red stuff in here. I really don't know. Running out of battery very fast, you know. It's not okay. Something is not okay. I gotta calibrate this thing again. Calibrate this thing again. No. No and no. No and no and no. I think I'm gonna use the big boy battery. So